Hello everyone! The academic paper and the bibliography are the topics we are dealing with in today's presentation. You will understand what an academic paper is. You will be conscious about the structure of academic papers. And you will know how to write a bibliography in a clear and coherent way, paying attention to the MLA and APA styles. Before having a more detailed presentation, I'd like you to think for a few minutes about what an academic paper and a bibliography are. What is an academic article or paper? It refers to work that contains original research results that state the author's research thesis. What is the purpose of an academic article? The main purpose of an academic article is to present scientific work. And who writes these academic papers? The writers of academic papers are usually scholars or researchers who want their work to be published in an academic journal. Structure of the academic paper. An academic paper usually has the following outline: the title of your paper, which is usually in inverted commas, the abstract of your paper, which states a summary of your research in about 200 words, the keywords, which are usually presented in alphabetical order, then the main body of your research, which usually has the following parts: the introduction, the main arguments, and the conclusion. You may also want to include endnotes or footnotes. Remember that these notes are notes regarding the text or references that are placed at the end of a chapter or a book. Footnotes, on the other hand, are the notes placed at the bottom of a page, while endnotes are those notes placed at the end of the paper, just before the bibliography. And the last part of the academic paper is the bibliography, works cited list, or references. What is a bibliography or works cited list? It is the last section included in an academic article. It refers to the documenting sources used in the academic paper. It can also be called bibliography or references. The works cited list can include books, journal articles, encyclopedias, website references, etc. Bibliographies usually follow a style, such as the MLA style, which is the style of the Modern Language Association, or the APA style, which is the style of the American Psychological Association. The bibliography should appear at the end of your paper. This list helps the reader to identify the sources cited in the paper. Some rules to consider for the bibliography. To start with, bibliographies help you to avoid plagiarism. Make sure to be coherent and use the same format, for instance, MLA or APA styles. Write entries, such as books or articles, in alphabetical order and check style. Place this list, the bibliography, on a separate page at the end of the paper with pagination included. Use italics for titles of books, titles of journals and magazines. If you are handwriting, make sure to underline them. Use quotation marks, either single or double quotes, for articles or chapters of books. Remember that a hyphen can be used when there is more than one family name, as in the case of Sánchez Domínguez. Use abbreviation of popular publishing houses such as OUP for Oxford University Press or CUP for Cambridge University.